Hey, how y'all doing out there in Cannabis Health Radio land? If you don't know me, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Robin Swan. Some people call me Reverend Dr. Robin Swan, but the truth is titles have never really mattered much to me. What matters is service and showing up, leaving people healthier, stronger, freer, and more connected to life. Today, I have the profound honor and responsibility of accepting the stewardship of Cannabis Health Radio. When I was asked, I was humbled to follow its founders, my dear friends Corrie Yelland and Jessop. For more than a decade, they dedicated themselves to sharing stories that changed their lives. Corrie, after healing herself from cancer, made a vow that she would spend the rest of her life helping others discover the healing potentials of cannabis. And Ian brought those stories to life through his gift for conversation, curiosity, and storytelling. Together, they created a beacon in a sea of darkness, a place where people could find hope through the lived experience of others and a very special plant given to us by the Holy Creator. Cannabis Health Radio became a place where people found another pathway through the darkness and different tools to use. I am deeply grateful for what they have built, and it is my sincere intention to honor that legacy. My relationship with Cannabis Health Radio goes way back to the beginning. Many of the pioneers, patients, advocates, doctors, companions, and all of the people on this journey have been my friends as well as my teachers. We all know a few cannabis warriors, but there are countless others whose names may never make headlines. Yet their courage changed many lives. These are the people who were willing to ask the difficult questions, challenge conventional wisdom, and risk everything for a plant they believed would help humanity heal. And we're still here, doing the good work. Miracles are still happening. Let me be clear though. Do not believe something simply because you hear it from me or an expert or a podcast. Test it, experience it, observe it. Do the results bear fruit in your life? Because truth reveals itself through what works. And if it doesn't serve you, just let it go. As we move forward in our story of Cannabis Health Radio, we will continue sharing the incredible stories of people healing themselves with cannabis. But I'd like to expand the conversation if you don't mind. With more than 30 years as a practitioner, a formulator, an educator, and someone who has spent literally my entire life around cannabis, I see a big need. Too many people are being misled. Patients are vulnerable, confused, and desperate for answers, while scammers are profiting from that confusion. We can change that here at Cannabis Health Radio because education brings freedom, knowledge brings understanding, and community creates strength. And through the stories shared here, they become roadmaps that help people make informed choices. We are here to demystify cannabis as medicine and deepen our understanding of healing to help you make informed choices. We are going to visit with growers, formulators, scientists, researchers, regulators, indigenous knowledge keepers, herbalists, and patients. We will hear from the elders who helped build this movement and the next generation carrying it forward. Together, we will explore cannabis through science, history, culture, spirituality, agriculture, and the personal experience presented through the lens of healing. Because true healing doesn't come from dependency, it comes from empowerment. Cannabis is not just a product, it's not just an industry, it's a relationship between you and the plant, a relationship humanity has shared across cultures and centuries. I am the current guardian of these stories. This community belongs to you. I believe your experiences matter, your questions matter, and through both your victories and your struggles, Cannabis Health Radio is here to support you on that journey. I invite you to join me in this next chapter. Share your stories, ask your questions, challenge the assumptions, teach us what you've learned. By sharing this podcast, you are helping build a community that's rooted in truth, integrity, compassion, and service. Together, we can share the wisdom of those who came before us and hand it off to the next generation. Every share or like helps bring more people to the discovery of the life-enhancing potentials of cannabis, providing them an opportunity to reclaim ownership of their health and their lives. So from my heart to yours, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting the process. Thank you for believing in the healing power of nature, of community, and of course of the human resilience. The next chapter of Cannabis Health Radio begins now. I hope you'll join us. My name is Robin Swan, and as always, I speak for the trees. Thank you for listening. See you soon.